Hey everyone, I am back. In my last video, I was trying to teach myself some of the basic fundamentals of using the Unreal Engine. In this one, my primary goal was teaching myself how to create and how to port over my own height maps, which I think I did effectively well. I mean, obviously I was aiming for kind of a desert plateau. Now I did this through an external program called World Creator, which is a lot like Mudbox actually, if you're familiar with the Autodesk series of programs. Anyways, and you'll see a lovely terrain glitch right about now. Yep, awesome, isn't it? But I'll go more into that later. Beyond just porting over my own height maps, my other main goals were to replicate or emulate the visual appeal of cell shading, which is actually quite a bit harder than I thought, but it's still something I definitely want to shoot for, just for the visual aspect of the game and the avenue we're approaching that visual aspect with. But I did that in two different ways, which I will go to in just a bit. I want to show you guys another glitch that maybe you can help me with. That is right here. See, I'm running into a collision problem where if I get to a certain elevation, my vehicles, my players float. If you guys have any sort of workarounds or fixes for that, feel free to shout out to me. I'd love to be educated. But anyways, going back into the cell shading. So I tried to emulate this through two different means. The first one was externally through Photoshop, through the materials. I created a cell shader-esque material and texture, and I just flattened it down via the filters, and imported into here. And that's what you're seeing on a lot of the rocks, a lot of the cliffs. Beyond that, I actually did another thing called hard edging, which that's what those thick black lines are that you're seeing. That's kind of engulfing the silhouettes of the environment, the objects, the vehicles, and the player characters, if you could see another player in the game. But that's actually, like I said earlier, that's actually done through a post process, and there's a lot more algorithms and mathematical formulas that play into that, which I'll show you that in a bit. But like I was saying earlier, I'm having an issue with my collision for the train right now. And I think that was brought in externally through World Creator, so I'll try to do it through Mudbox and see if that same issue still exists. But now I will show you what's called a Sobel edge, which is that hard edging. You can generate this code yourself, or you can download it from some really nice people online. But once it pops up here, yada yada yada, as you can see, basically all it is a lot of mathematical variables that play into one another, and they generate, if I could talk, that thick hard outline that you saw everywhere. But anyways, I could go on, but I don't want to bore you too much, being it's going on 3 minutes already. I just wanted to give you guys an update where I was. If you have any answers, feel free to shout out, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.